If you've been using IBM DOORS for requirements management, you probably know it's been a trusted tool for decades, especially in industries like aerospace, defense, and automotive. But as technology and work practices have evolved, many teams are finding that DOORS' older architecture and user interface just don't keep up with today's needs. So, how do you know when it's time to move on, and what should you look for in a new solution? Let's start with the main drawbacks of IBM DOORS. Its outdated design can make onboarding new users slow and frustrating, which increases training costs and can impact productivity. Handling large volumes of data is also a challenge, especially for teams juggling multiple complex projects. If your company manufactures different product variants, you might find DOORS' limited mapping features restrictive. Integration is another pain point, as DOORS doesn't easily connect with modern test management or project management tools, leading to duplicated work and inefficiencies. And if you need to export data to formats like Excel or PDF, or customize the system to fit your workflow, you'll likely run into roadblocks. So, what should you look for in an alternative? Prioritize a user-friendly interface that feels familiar, especially if your team already uses Microsoft tools. Seamless integration with your existing tech stack is key for efficient data sharing and security. Make sure the solution can scale with your business and supports Agile methodologies for flexibility and faster iteration. Advanced traceability features are essential for tracking and compliance. And don't forget to consider your company's size, industry, security needs, and budget. One of the top alternatives to consider is Modern Requirements for DevOps. It offers unique strengths from native Azure DevOps integration to robust traceability and flexible project management. Modern Requirements for DevOps is an award-winning IBM DOORS alternative that stands by being the only requirements management natively built into Azure DevOps. It extends ADO into a fully fledged ALM tool. It is known for its user-friendly interface that uses familiar Microsoft and Azure DevOps UI elements. When you're ready to transition, plan your data migration carefully. Identify what needs to move, choose the right migration tools, and migrate in batches to minimize risk. Train your team and roll out the new system in phases to avoid workflow disruptions. With the right approach, you can move beyond IBM DOORS and set your team up for success with requirements tracking software built for the future.